Multiplication and division of fractions. We have already learned that multiplication is nothing but repeated addition of a number. Likewise, multiplication is also done with fractions. Multiplication of a fraction with 0 gives 0, and multiplication of a fraction with 1 gives the same fraction. Let's see the multiplication of a fraction with a fraction. When a fraction is multiplied with another fraction, numerator of one fraction is multiplied with the numerator of the other fraction. Likewise, the denominator of one fraction is multiplied with the denominator of the other. For example, 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 8. Now, let's see the division of fractions. We have a fraction, 2 by 5. When we exchange the digits of numerator and denominator, we get a fraction, 5 by 2. This fraction, 5 by 2, is called the multiplicative inverse of the fraction. The fraction we get by exchanging the digits of the numerator and denominator is called the multiplicative inverse of the fraction. It is also called the reciprocal. On multiplying a fraction with its reciprocal, we always get 1. First, let's see the division of a whole number by a fraction. Here, we have to divide 3 by 1 by 2. To carry out the division, we first write the whole number as a fraction. That is, 3 is written as 3 by 1. Then, we find the multiplication inverse or reciprocal of the divisor. That is, the reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. Then, the dividend and the multiplication inverse of the divisor are multiplied. That is, 3 by 1 into 2 by 1. And we get the result as 6. Let's see the division of a fraction by a whole number. Here, we will divide 5 by 9 by 3. To carry out the division, we first write the whole number as a fraction. That is, 3 is written as 3 by 1. 5 by 9 is the dividend and 3 by 1 is the divisor. Then, we find the multiplication inverse or reciprocal of the divisor. That is, the reciprocal of 3 by 1 is 1 by 3. Then, the dividend and the multiplication inverse of the divisor are multiplied. That is, 5 by 9 into 1 by 3. And we get the result as 5 by 27. Now, let's see the division of a fraction by another fraction. Let's see how we divide 9 by 10 by 3 by 10. 9 by 10 is the dividend and 3 by 10 is the divisor. First, we find the multiplication inverse or reciprocal of the divisor. That is, the reciprocal of 3 by 10 is 10 by 3. Then, the dividend and the multiplication inverse of the divisor are multiplied. That is, 9 by 10 into 10 by 3. And on simplifying, we get the result as 3.